Francone Elementary School and did some significant upgrades within the building. We included a lot of the security enhancements. Also included in the bond program was the replacement of all the exterior window systems and doors. We also came in and added some additional walls as part of the program.
There were cheers, screams, excitement, and even tears of joy, because the building was in such great condition. They did a fantastic job renovating our campus.
It was very old school, where the cabinets were an orange and a lime green, very primary colors. It was as open as can be when I first started here, but like the walls give you that barrier, so there's less distractions happening, which has helped them tremendously stay focused during the lesson.
Your physical environment actually has an impact on student behavior, academic performance, teacher retention. School environment absolutely matters. It matters to the kids, it matters to the teachers, it matters to the parents. They have a sense of pride in the school. They're proud to be in a school that looks as nice as Francone does.
It's a whole new building, and it may look the same on the outside, but I encourage people to come and just look at just the changes, and it's totally different, and we love it. I mean, it's just great.